and it makes a really amazing flame, as you can see.
Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I want to show you a fire trick that no one knows. Stay tuned. One of the things that I carry with me at all times in my pocket is a Bic lighter. And I have it wrapped in some 1-inch Gorilla duct tape, and I also added a lanyard. And the lanyard is another little special trick that I learned, and I'll be sharing that with you as well. But what I really want to show you is what's taped inside of this lighter, because it makes a great difference and it's a fantastic fire starter. So the lanyard that I have on here is just a braid that I made out of waxed hemp. This is a 1mm 20-pound test. And so what I've done is I just made a simple loop, and then it's duct tape on there. But when I open this up, this comes off. Underneath it is wrapped some of this line, this cordage, maybe 12 to 18 inches. This stuff is absolutely fantastic fire starter. This is an amazing tinder, and I'm gonna go dunk it in the creek, and I'll show you how well it works. So here I've got a small piece, you can see it, of this waxed hemp line. I'm gonna dunk it in the water, get it good and wet, and shake the water off of it like so, and get the lighter out of my pocket. And then we're going to light it. Of course, the wind's blowing a little bit down here by the creek, but even wet, as you can see, it lights real well, and it will burn a pretty long time. It's a great fire extender, and this is wet. My hand's wet and everything, but it's continuing to burn, and it will work its way through the water. Continue to do a great job. So this is a wonderful resource to have wrapped around your lighter. So all of that I keep wrapped under here under a separate and smaller, finer roll of duct tape, so that it's not, this roll here isn't connected to this roll. So these are two separate 1-inch rolls. Now what I really want to show you is what's underneath this top roll of 1-inch Gorilla tape. And what it is, very simply, it's a guitar pick. Now, this guitar pick is made of celluloid, and celluloid is extremely flammable. So, I'm going to demonstrate what that looks like when you light a guitar pick with a lighter, then I'm going to show you how to do it with a ferro rod. So to light this, you just light one side. It'll light very quick and very easy, and I would tell you to put it down pretty quick. Now the thinner they are, the quicker they're going to burn, and it makes a really amazing flame, as you can see. It's not a real long-lasting fire, but it's a very hot and large flame. You get maybe 5 to 8 seconds out of this, depending on how thick it is. When you get ready to light it with a small ferro rod or whatever you have, like this one that I carry on my keyring, what you want to do is take your knife, and then first of all you want to make a series of scratches so that you scratch up a goodly amount of small fluffy tinder. And you'll do that until you get just a small pile. And I'll get back to you when I get that done. The next thing you want to do is you want to take your knife and you want to make a series of small curls, just like this. And it cuts pretty easy as celluloid. And you want to make some small slices so that it has something that can burn very easily. Just like that. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And while you're down there, you'll find our Patreon link, which is where you can donate to financially support the channel. And if you want to support us in other ways, you'll also find our Spring link, which is where you can buy great Waypoint Survival branded merchandise. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. When you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.